Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news for all the smartphone lovers out there. After weeks of anticipation and speculation, iQOO has finally announced the official launch date of their latest smartphone in India. Yes, you heard it right. The iQOO Neo 7 Pro is coming to India, and we have all the details for you. iQOO India CEO, Nipun Maurya, recently took to Twitter to share the much-awaited launch date of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. Mark your calendars because the smartphone is all set to hit the Indian market on July 4th. With the launch date confirmed, we can expect iQOO to release more teasers and information about the Neo 7 Pro in the coming days. But here's an interesting rumor. It's believed that the Neo 7 Pro might be a rebranded version of the iQOO Neo 7 Racing Edition available in China. Though it's not officially confirmed, let's dive into the expected specifications of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. First up, let's talk about the display. The iQOO Neo 7 Pro is rumored to feature a stunning 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. With thin bezels and a punch-hole selfie camera, this phone is sure to provide an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the iQOO Neo 7 Pro is expected to pack a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, paired with an Adreno 730 GPU. This combination promises lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. When it comes to memory and storage, iQOO is rumored to offer two variants of the Neo 7 Pro. You can choose between 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, or go for a higher-end model with a whopping 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. That's ample space for all your apps, games, and multimedia content. Now, let's talk about photography. The iQOO Neo 7 Pro is expected to feature a versatile triple camera setup on the rear. It might boast a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. For stunning selfies, you can rely on the 16MP front camera. Powering this feature-packed smartphone is rumored to be a massive 5000 mAh battery. But here's the best part, iQOO Neo 7 Pro is expected to support mind-boggling 120-watt fast charging. With this technology, you'll be able to charge your phone in no time and get back to using it without any interruptions. In terms of software, the iQOO Neo 7 Pro is expected to run on Android 13-based FunTouch OS 13 in India. With a clean and intuitive user interface, you'll have a seamless and user-friendly